means July. Means July 7, 14 July.
Yes, everyone.
Once
Open your book number 5.
one month में
Yes.
14,
Yes.
1474. 14, 7.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Now we are going to do our writing work. Okay. Everyone, those who are having 5-number notebook, open your 5-number notebook, new page. Those who are not having the book can write in any other book and you can complete it afterwards. Okay. Yes. And everyone, turn on your video. Yes, Alishba, Habiba, turn on your video. Sit properly, everyone. Yes, come on. In last EVS session, what we have done shapes name. Yes, we have completed 3 shapes name. That is circle, square, and triangle. Okay, 3 shapes name we have completed in the last session. Now we are going to write further. Okay. Yes, I'm going to share you the page. You're going to open a new page in your notebook and going to write along with me. So first, what we are going to write? First, we are going to write the date. Yes. So which date is today? Today is 14/7. Okay. Now, no need to write the heading. Okay. Because we have already written the heading. So we are going to start. Don't write in the margin. Everyone listen carefully. Nobody will write in the margin. The red line you can see. ये रेड लाइन दिख रही है आप लोगों को, पिंक लाइन, दैट इज योर मार्जिन. उसके अंदर नहीं लिखना है आप लोगों को. ओके. Yes, come on. Write out of the margin. Start from here. First, write capital R. Capital R. Capital R. E. R. E. C. R. E. C. R. E. C. T. A. N. R. E. C. T. A. N. G. L. E. Rectangle. R. E. C. T. A. N. G. L. E. Rectangle. Draw the line. R. E. C. T. A. N. G. L. E. Rectangle. Now, next word. Capital S. Capital S. T. A. R. Star. S. T. A. R. Star. S. T. A. R. Star. Okay. Now, the third word. First word should be capital, everyone's, okay? O O V O V A L, oval. O V A L, oval. O V A L, oval. Now what you have to do, you all know very well. You have to leave one line and start writing. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Sayyid Anaya. Yes? Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Ma'am, she's not there. Actually, she's not there for the first lecture. So, is that any oral taken by the
Yeah, that
student?
is, yeah. No, not with the students. I have taken the oral, that rhymes and story.
Okay, so she wouldn't be there. So, how it can be worked now for her?
No issue. The oral work that we are taking daily now, that is the only I have taken in the first session. And in the next session, I'm going to take that oral test for Diniyat.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
She got her books.
You got your books?
Yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah, she got her book yesterday.
Very nice. Anaya, have you seen your books? Now complete your work, okay? Slowly you can complete it, okay? Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay? Yes, now everyone will read and write, okay? First, complete the word shape name rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Everyone is writing very good. Very nice. Good girls. Mujtaba, turn on your video. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. RECTANGLE, rectangle. Yes? Rahmatunisa, turn on your video. Mujtaba, you also turn on your video. Asfia, Dania, turn on your mic and read and write with me, okay? STAR, star. STAR 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 star.
यहाँ नीचे एक लाइन छोड़ के.
Yes, now next word. Capital OVAL, oval.
नजदीक लिखने
Capital
का बोल रही हूँ. नजदीक.
OVAL, oval.
T
Capital OVAL, oval.
A
Capital OVAL, oval.
N
OVAL, oval.
G L E. बोलो. O V
OVAL,
A L oval.
oval.
O V A L oval.
Oval.
O V A L oval.
VAL, oval.
S T A R star. S T
OVAL,
A
oval.
R star. लिखना जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ.
OVAL, oval.
A अभी तक ये सोचते ही रहे कैसा लिखने का. R S कैसा लिखते हैं
Yes.
इसमें ना. T fast. T A R
Yes, Farin.
R बोली.
Completed. Very good.
R बोल रही हूँ फिर भी I लिख रही है. S
Very good, Farin. Very nice.
T
Okay, now turn. Now be ready with the new page. Okay.
A R
Yes, Dania. Very good. Mariam, read and write, dear. Mariam Rahman. Yes, those who have completed, open new page and be ready, okay? Yes, you have to complete full page. Very good, Ayat. Very good, Ayat. Very good, Myra. Very good, Maisra. Okay, listen here, everyone. Very good after answer. Very good, Tasmin. Yes, Ayat Rakhange. Very good. Chalo, now see here. Those who have completed, look here. What left hand side page आपने leave किए ना? You have leave the left hand side page ना? जहाँ पे आपको pictures stick करने हैं. There we are going to now draw the shapes, okay? जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपने पेज जो लीव किए हैं, जो छोड़े हैं पेज पिक्चर स्टिक करने के लिए, वहां पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे? हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे शेप्स, ओके? So first do one thing, write today's date there. Okay, write date. Now which shapes we have written today? We have written rectangle. Yes or no? So you have to draw their rectangle like this. Okay, draw rectangle with the help of scale. Okay, draw neat and clean. And next word, what we have written? We have written star. So we are going to draw the star like this. See, first like this, draw A. Then from this one, everyone know how to draw the star. Like this, draw the star. Okay? Draw the star. Now, and the next word that we have written is oval. So we are going to draw oval. Oval is the shape of an egg. Okay? Egg कैसे होता है ना? That is oval, and circle is different. Okay? Like this, you have to draw the shapes and you have to color it. You can color it afterwards. Okay? First do your writing work and first draw the shapes. Maisra, don't do anything on the screen. Yes, Alishba, very good. Very good, Anaya. Thakur Anaya, very good. You can write your name also, okay? I'll show you. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Oh, sorry. You can write below it, okay? Or you can write here. RECTANGLE. Rectangle. Okay? Then here you can write Star, STAR, star. And here you will write oval. OVAL, oval. Okay, like this. So you can identify it easily. Yes, completed everyone. Very good, Dania. Yes, Farin, very good. Umema, very good. Very good, Tasmin. Ayat, very good. Sakharkar Ayat, very good. Chalo, let's see who all have finished the writing work and drawing work also. Afia answer, very good. Fareen, very good. Mushtaba, what happened here? Have you completed your work? Dania, very nice. Rehmatunisa, Mehek, very good. Almost all have completed. Ayat, you can do the color afterwards. Rakhange Ayat. You can color it afterwards. Okay? Chalo, now open new page, everyone. First, open new page. Very good, Askia. Very good, Asfia. Asfia. Both very good. Okay? Now, everyone, open new page. New page. Open new page, everyone. Chalo, we'll start now. Pay attention carefully, everyone. Look here carefully and write along with me, okay? If you are going to write along with me, you're not going to miss anything. First thing we are doing, that is, we are writing the date. Write date. Right, 14/7, today's date. And write your heading. REVISION. Revision. Revision, and below that you can write SHAPES, shapes. NAM, shapes name. Okay, below that write shapes name. First write revision, then below that write shapes name. So shapes name. नीचे की लाइन में shapes name लिखो. Come on. For now, you all having the margin now. You all know the margin now. In that margin, write number 1. Okay. Number 1. Start from here. Write first. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Now what you have to do? Draw the small circle. Okay, जहाँ पे आप लोग सर्कल लिखेंगे ना उसके बाजू में छोटा सा सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके Okay, number 1 completed. Now leave one line and write number 2. Number